Let's be honest, PowerPoint? Still? It's clunky, it's slow, and half the time you're just fighting with formatting. But if you've got some bullet points, meeting notes, or rough ideas, and want a stunning presentation in literally minutes, this right here is your shortcut. It's called the Gamma app, and it turns plain text into beautiful professional slides. No design skills, no downloads. And yes, there's a free plan. Here's how it works. Just head over to Gamma.app and hit Get Started Free. Sign up takes a few seconds, no credit card needed. You'll land on a clean dashboard. Click New Project, then choose Presentation. Now, forget about dragging templates or building slides from scratch. Just paste in your bullet points. Seriously, your rough outline or even notes from a call. Something like weekly updates, campaign results, launch timelines, budget shifts. Once you paste it in, click Generate with AI, and that's it. Gamma.app instantly builds your presentation slide by slide. Smart layouts, clean design, visuals that actually make sense. All aligned, all ready. And if you want to make changes, just click and edit. Want a new slide? Type one line. Gamma.app does the rest. You can switch themes in one click too. Hundreds of designs, all beautiful, and your content stays perfectly laid out. When you're done, just share it. Send a link, export to PDF, or drop it into Google Slides or PowerPoint if you really want to. In under 5 minutes, you've got a full deck that looks like it took hours. If you're making decks for work, school, or clients and want to skip the stress and get straight to stunning, Gamma is the move. Try it free at Gamma.app and let me know what you build. This is AIChief. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tools that actually save you time.